Rais William RUTO natongeretie AKENYA UKUNGWIRA Mambura Ja Jamuhuri kinene kia urunganda ni muci munene yo Nairobi. Rais yake NATARIRITIE mitaratara KATHUMBA ira bekite kenda kwairithia nthiguru ya Kenya na kinya kwithira aitariria umbani bwawe ndwangine mwanya cia thirikari. Mambura yani yakuciritie atongeire KATHUMBA na rari bonekete wikira rais bunene ni kwambara ngwatira no rumwe kenda kwithira aikuria muongo yo Kenya. Antoni Kathenya aina ripotie.
Mambura Ja Jamuhuri malithithika kinene kia Uhuru Gardens amujwa Nairobi na gutongerwa ni Rais William RUTO.
Tumsalimie anapopita mbele yetu Mheshimiwa Rais. Karibu. Mheshimiwa Rais.
Mambura maumndi malakinyitoni atongoria nkorani kuma thirikarini na nje ya thirikari iria muna mutongorwa ndea Gambia Adama Barrow.
Wapi makofi kwa mgeni wetu His Excellency the President of the Republic of the Gambia.
Nyimbo jia uga tene ila jiji keneta TBT igesansamburaga Kenya baingi balabala kinyite Mambura ni mama.
Kuna siku mbili muhimu ya kuzaliwa na ya kuzama. Ya kuzaliwa ni shaijua bado ya kuzama toka duniani.
Kiri Mambura mama maumndi ni kwithire kwina urugire bwa kambi ya jeshi balelani ya wajia kambino ikinenkagiro marangi mayo. Akiariria Kenya kiri Mambura mama Rais William RUTO na menete bandi ndega na thirikari ile thiritwe kimeneria mibangi ya thirikari na kuga bethiritwe bakienderia Kenya urongo mwingi kando na kwithirwa ati thirikari yae ni thithiritie Kenya mauntu maingi mega bubu kija kagita karia ona kanithe thiritwe kimeneria tongoria bwa Rais William RUTO.
I see clearly that a lot of what passes for fact are actually falsehood, and that most opposition is based on inaccurate representations and sometimes outright disinformation. If we give in to these emerging negative trends, we shall pay with our freedom, democracy and development.
Rais William RUTO akiuga thogora ya muturire ni manite na bobo ni umabulabulio na kuga Kenya balaba kumenile mibangi ya thirikari na kwa liorongo bambile kwira Kenya uma.
When we say that the cost of basic commodities has come down, it is a fact. When we say that inflation has come down, it is a fact. When we say that our farmers are producing more and better, it is a fact. When we say that Kenyans who have registered for Taifa Care are receiving better services than before, it is a fact. We encourage everyone, including our critics, to engage on the basis of facts and the truth. If some of us persist in the culture of reckless negativity, for how long will cynics mobilize Kenyans to deny facts that they can feel, that they can touch, and they can see?
Mutongeria jo andini ya Kenya Rais William RUTO okaita kana thile na mbere kuringira ndebe mibangi ya thirikari ile thite na mbere ta mubango wa SHA.
I am confident in the future of our nation and the capacity of our national transformation agenda to deliver, because I appreciate the strategies we have put in place, the work underway, and the commitment of our people and their motivation to make their contribution.
Rais William RUTO akiuga thirikari yae ikathi na mbele kugarura mitori ya Kenya bula kubatilie.
Mheshimiwa Rais, utuongoze.
I have no doubt that the national economic transformation agenda will succeed and deliver for the people of Kenya. I have no problem with discourse, criticism and alternative proposals. In fact, I welcome them and listen to feedback in order to learn, improve, and become better.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Bita Antoni, rangi wa Kathenya.